Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a few weeks since my last video, been pretty busy with work, but today I've had a bit of a productive day. Decided that I was going to paint the Z myself, mainly just the roof, the mirrors. I do have a rear quarter, but I have to do that another time because I didn't order enough paint. I stuffed up first time around, had to sort of sand back my base coat and then go over it again. I didn't have enough air pressure was too low. So I sorted that problem. And yeah, just take this. That's just the base coat. Still need to clear coat it. Gonna do probably three, four layers of clear. So far so good. It's my first time spray painting a car. I've done prep work before and I've worked with panel beaters before. Done a lot of correction work, but I've never actually sprayed properly a car, so keep your fingers crossed for me.